And today I want to talk to you a little bit about a common thread you're going to find in most every internet business idea. Now, this common thread that connects the big three, what I like to call, are affiliate marketing, information marketing, and online network marketing. If you are thinking about an internet business, it's probably going to fall somewhere into one of those three. And this common thread is search engine optimization, or SEO for short. So if you do affiliate marketing and you're promoting someone else's product, then you're actually going to have to really look at getting some good SEO going and learning how to get pages to rank higher on the search engines. For regular information marketing, say you are selling your own ebook or your own e-study course or whatever it may be, you're going to have to dive into your niche, do the keyword research, and really start to dominate in that given niche. And if you're looking at internet network marketing, then it's the same thing. You're going to have to target people and who are interested in home businesses, who are looking for work from home opportunities, who are already looking for information about network marketing or MLMs. And again, use your search engine optimization skills to really build up your pages and your content and get them to rank higher in Google so that you get a higher click-through rate and you get more traffic, more sales, and just more money in general. So the common thread through all of this is search engine optimization. And no matter what type of business model you have, when it really comes down to it, you need more leads. You need just leads for your network marketing business, or you need actually more interested prospects in whatever information product you're selling. So there's lots of different ways to do this, and I would love to continue our conversation. So please click the link at the bottom of this video and we can talk more about SEO, about affiliate marketing, network marketing, and we can just continue this conversation and talk more about how to create a substantial income online.